S650.
You want to just ride with me?
S650. Got some good runs tonight on this setup. Low-key a little nervous, I can't lie. A little nervous tonight, but we'll see what we can do. Got Mark's putting up the gas cam.
I'm surprised. I thought he was gonna jump out a little bit and you're gonna pass him because you left him third.
I let out a little too early too. I was getting fucking sketched.
Yeah, that bitch is fast. This thing is moving.
Holy fuck, this thing is hauling cock. Right, the first run on the setup. That was a third gear hit. I'm too much of a pussy to do second. Maybe we'll get another one tonight. Second gear hit, but I'm just trying to get used to the car, ease into it. I did not, this thing is moving, dude. I did not expect that, man. Turning off.
No, you got low battery. Go to your
engine coolant over temperature. What the? Service vehicle soon. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I got a fuckload.
Oh yeah, your shit went off. Pull over. Fill the car. Cylinder head temps are high as fuck.
Fuck. Pop the hood?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, not where we expected to be. Not where we were expected to be tonight. The belt snapped. And we are now leaking coolant. Pissed all the coolant out of the car. We got a tow truck coming. Don't know what happened. Well, I mean, obviously the belt snapped, but I don't know. I guess we'll find out once we get this thing dropped off at the house and we can look a little further into it.
That's good. Nothing was coming out the exhaust. That's good.
Did not expect this, man. I just hope everything's good. Kind of speechless right now, to be honest. Ah. Alright y'all, so we made it home, thankfully, after like a 19-minute tow, but as you can see, the belt is indeed snapped, and we did lose all of our coolant. We did cut the car off pretty quickly, so pulled over, you know, cut the car off, called a tow, so hopefully nothing major is wrong. I'm just low-key kind of bummed, man. Like, I got like 2 hits on this thing, but right now we're thinking potentially maybe a belt alignment issue. Maybe, you know, I got a faulty belt, which not really likely, but who knows. We'll figure it out. I mean, fix it, come back stronger, and yeah, I mean, I guess that's all there really is to say. But I just want to give you all an update. It is just a couple hours later, and the car is already back on its way to the shop to get fixed and, you know, get that issue all figured out. Huge shout out to Pat too for that quick, you know, turnaround. I called him this morning, and within hours, you know, we got everything figured out. He got a tow truck to my house, so big thanks to Pat. But yeah, just want to give you all a little update. The car should be back on the road pretty soon. I'm hoping, you know, no more than a week. But yeah, hopefully the next video, we are back on the road very soon, and we get some more good runs in. It sucks we weren't able to run that McLaren. I'm still kind of bummed out about that. There was a McLaren and a couple other cars I wanted to run, but I really wanted the McLaren. I thought that would have been pretty freaking sick for some content. But it is what it is. We'll, you know, there's always more days, so fuck it. You know, maybe next time.